Welcome back to the shop. Today I want to go over a brand new project we are finishing up here behind me, what we're calling Ferrari 12C. This car is coming in with a almost $800,000 sticker, and the only shop in town that can handle that caliber of a car is right here at Detailers of Naples. So we wanted to go ahead and do a quick little project overview of what this car received. We went ahead and did a front end PPF installation. So things like your mirrors, the mirror caps, your hood, fenders, bumper, headlights, and all this beautiful carbon fiber that you see on the front is all covered in XPEL paint protection film. This hood is a very challenging hood to say the least. As you can tell, it requires a special type of install to make sure you get no stretch lines, and you can do everything in one piece, which is something that we specialize in here. Additionally, we went ahead and polished the entire vehicle. So even though this is a brand new vehicle, one of the most common misconceptions is that a brand new car has no imperfections, no swirls, which is just not true. Typically, the more money you spend, the worse they get, to be honest. So we went ahead and did a full paint correction to this entire vehicle, top to bottom, even on the carbon fiber here, all the black roof, the yellow stripes, you name it, this entire car got paint corrected. And we use these lifts here, which not a lot of shops have. You can see we have quite a bit in the shop. These lifts allow us to basically take this car to eye level and allow our installers to see things that you normally wouldn't see with the car on the ground like this. So after the paint correction, we went ahead and applied a ceramic coating to pretty much everything that your human hand can touch. So rims, paint, plastics, again, the carbon fiber, the glass, and as well as the interior on this car has a beautiful brown interior. We went ahead and protected that as well. So this owner is going to be able to drive this piece of beautiful machinery with confidence. He's going to be able to drive it wherever he wants and however he wants, which is the most important part about protecting your vehicle. So definitely with this type of caliber of car, you don't want to cheap out on protection. Definitely something that is needed. Even on a normal daily driver, this stuff is needed. So give us a call if this is something that you might be interested in. We're located in Naples, Florida, right across from the Naples airport, and we are the largest and highest rated shop in Southwest Florida. And this is the stuff that we specialize in.